So I needed to build out the view all users page, and I just wanted to create some type of component before I actually start building. So I need to have a direction. So I think maybe I can just build a component with view. Yeah, that's what I should do. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. We'll build a component. So we'll start with desktop. Let's build a component on this one. And this will be the card component. And so we need a box. That's my card. And let's give it some roundness because all cards have that roundness, right? Change this up a bit lighter. There we go. And I need 2 buttons. So just create more squares, rectangles. This is gonna be my button. 20. Just gonna do another one there. Change this color up. Get a green one, and maybe an orange. Maybe orange and blue. Actually, this one's gonna be red because I want to delete this one, and this one's going to be the blue one. Update, and put some text there. This is going to be update, and just increase the font size. There we go. And on this side, I'm going to put delete. Remove. And so we need some user data for the rest of this. Change the color, there we go. And so the user has an ID. The user has first name. That should be off. That's first name. ID. Last name. Let me get a little bit more space. First name, last name. We're going to get the email address. Password, maybe? I don't think we need password there. So we got first name, last name, email, ID. I think that is it for that. Let's just make sure. Get to this model. Start filling this in while that's loading up. First name, Leo. Last name, Rose. And my email. Rose@gmail.com. So probably go something like this, I'm assuming. It's not too bad to read, I guess. Got a lot of extra space there that we're not even utilizing, so this card can actually be smaller. Something like this. I think that's okay, I believe. I don't see anything wrong with it. Just make sure the data is matching my user model. So I'm going to have a first name, last name, email, open the row. Okay. So I'll move this down a bit and give me space. For the user's role, the role there, and this user's role is admin. And I think this is okay for now, as far as getting all the data from a user. I'll fix the spacing. I think that's pretty good. So I would take that and I wonder if I can copy this. How does this work? Group selection, card components, group selection. Can I just take card component? Oh, you don't take card component. And it's locked as well. This and group that maybe. If that works, cool. But then I should be able to copy this and move this over to a new create user. This would be view all users. We can get rid of this. this. Move that over there. Change the scale. I think do something like that. And this would be view. Just bold that out. And I think that should be it for that page. So let's go see what that looks like. And I think that should be good. Works for me. So I'll go to view, and it will give me a list of everyone that is in here, and I should be able to scroll through here and update or remove. And yeah, looks pretty good to me.